Hello there, this is Michael, and welcome to AVC School. If the standard AutoCAD tools for working with 3D geometry feel too limited, make sure to watch this video until the end. Today we continue exploring AVC tools, and this time we'll take a look at Solid Union. First, let me quickly go over the key features, and then I'll show everything in action. Like the other AVC commands, our Solid Union keeps your current selection active after launching the command. Honestly, I was personally frustrated for a long time with how the standard union command in AutoCAD forces you to reselect objects every single time. Now that problem is gone. In addition, the tool works not only with 3D solids, but also with surfaces and regions. You can even combine different object types together in a single operation. You can also configure whether the original objects should remain, whether the result should be moved to a new layer, and save up to 9 custom presets for quick switching. Let's see how it works. I'll open the Solid Union settings and choose a preset I saved earlier. In this preset, I specified that the original objects should remain, while the result of the operation will automatically be moved to a new layer. As soon as I enter the name of a new layer, the option to move the resulting solid onto a new layer is enabled automatically. Let's call this layer Union. I already have the objects pre-selected for the operation. First, let me show you how the standard union behaves. I launch the command, and as you can see, the entire selection disappears immediately. I cancel the command, restore the selection, and now launch Solid Union instead. I confirm the operation. As you can see, the new solid has been created on a separate layer, while the original objects remain untouched. If needed, I can reuse them later without manually creating copies. Now let's see how the tool works with surfaces and regions. Here I have both regions and surfaces placed together in the same area. I select all objects at once, launch the command, and confirm the operation. As you can see, all objects were successfully merged, and the result was automatically moved to a new layer. The original objects were deleted because that option is currently enabled in my settings. But of course, I could also keep them if needed. And here's another important detail. Right now, we have several separate regions located on the same plane. As you probably know, the standard union command would normally combine them into a single multi-region object. Let's see what Solid Union does instead. I select the objects, launch the command, done. The regions merged only where they actually touched each other without creating any multi-regions. This is especially useful when preparing complex geometry for further editing and modeling. We believe AVC tools can save a huge amount of time for both experienced engineers and beginners alike. You can download the plugin using the link in the description below. A free 20-day trial is available. Use AVC in your workflow and save time for life.